Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we are diving into one of Google's most powerful and honestly kind of underrated AI tools, NotebookLM. Now, imagine having a research assistant that can read hundreds of your sources at once and then, just generate slide decks for you. That is the promise. But it really all boils down to one big question. Is the Pro version really worth that $20 a month price tag, or can you get pretty much everything you need from the free version? Well, that's exactly what we're here to figure out. So think of this as your guide to making that decision. Let's get into it. Okay, so first, a super quick recap for anyone who's new to this. NotebookLM is Google's AI-powered research assistant, and it's pretty brilliant. You feed it your sources, we're talking PDFs, Google Docs, research papers, even just website links, and it becomes your own private, specialized expert that only understands your content. It's kind of like having a personal genius who has only ever read the books that you've given them. But the Pro version? That's a whole different animal. It's not really for the casual user. This thing is built for the power users. The researchers, the students who are deep into thesis, startup founders analyzing competitors, or even entire enterprise teams. And the key difference isn't just a few extra features. It's really all about scale. And that brings us to what I call the breaking point. Let's talk limits, because this is where the free version starts to feel a little bit small, and the Pro version, well, it really starts to show its muscle. I mean, just look at the sheer jump in the numbers here. The free plan gives you 100 notebooks and 50 sources each, which, sounds pretty generous. But the Pro plan just explodes those numbers to 500 notebooks and 300 sources. Daily queries, they jump from 50 to 500. In some cases, we're talking about a 10-fold increase across the board. This is the difference between just casual use and full-on production-level capacity. But out of all those numbers, I want you to just focus on this one. 300. 300 sources per notebook. Just let that sink in for a second. This isn't just a small little bump up from 50. The really crucial point is what you can do with that kind of limit. With 300 sources, you're building a complete knowledge base for a thesis or a legal case or a massive competitor analysis. It basically turns your notebook into your own private mini search engine that is tailored exactly to your project. That is a massive leap in capability.
But Pro isn't just about higher limits. It's about entirely new capabilities. These are the Pro-only power-ups, the true game changers that are reserved exclusively for paid users.
So first up is Deep Research Mode. And this is huge. See, normally, NotebookLM is totally confined to the documents you upload. But with this feature, it can actually break out of that box. It will actively search the web for trusted, up-to-date information, expanding its own knowledge base and merging it with your content. This fundamentally changes what the tool is. And the workflow is incredibly simple. You upload your base documents, let's say a few white papers on a new AI model. Then you just prompt NotebookLM to go search the web for recent updates. And finally, it delivers a single merged report that combines your sources with everything it found online. For anyone tracking a fast-moving topic, this is invaluable. I absolutely love this quote from our source material because it's just so accurate. It really is like having a research intern that works 24/7, constantly scanning for new info and integrating it right into your project. It automates one of the most tedious parts of doing deep research. Another kind of underrated power-up is custom personas. The Pro version gives you a massive 10,000 character instruction box. Now what this means is you can tell the AI exactly how to behave. You can make it a strict academic reviewer, a concise business analyst, or even a creative YouTube scriptwriter. This level of control over the tone and delivery is absolutely crucial for producing professional-grade output. And then there's Visual Studio. This is where your research becomes actual, tangible content. So instead of just giving you text summaries, NotebookLM Pro can generate assets directly from your sources. We're talking slide decks for presentations, infographics for social media, flashcards for studying, even public knowledge bases. This saves an enormous amount of time. And this right here, this is the key transformation. With Visual Studio, NotebookLM stops being a place where you just gather information, and it becomes a tool where you actually create finished assets. It bridges that gap between research and your final output, which is just a massive improvement to your workflow. All right, so we've seen the bigger limits and the exclusive power-ups. Let's bring it all together for the final verdict. Should you actually upgrade? So here's the bottom line. You should probably consider upgrading if you research heavily, daily, if you manage multiple complex projects, or if you create content directly from your sources. If you need that web-integrated research, Pro is definitely for you. On the other hand, if you're a casual user, you're just experimenting, or you've literally never come close to hitting the free limits, then yeah, just stay on the free plan. It is more than powerful enough for occasional use.
And if you do decide to upgrade, there are a few ways to get it. The most direct way is through the Google One AI Premium plan for $19.99 a month, which also gets you Gemini Advanced. It's also available through certain Google Workspace and Cloud plans, and there's a really great bonus. If you happen to be an eligible student in the US, you currently get all these Pro features for free. And that brings us right back to our original question, but this time it's for you. Based on your workflow, is NotebookLM Pro a productivity multiplier that's actually worth paying for, or is the free version powerful enough for what you do? I'd be really curious to hear what you think. Thanks for tuning in.